Hi, it's Cindy Horstman. Welcome back. This is part 2 of improvisation and having fun with improvisation. So, in part 1, we talked about creating a simple chord progression. So, let's review that. It started with a C major 9, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we moved to D minor 7. You to do this with just your left hand, right? So that you can free up your right hand for improv. Let's just practice that for a little while. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. So, to begin to improvise with the melody, I suggest that you use 2 notes, just 2 notes in the scale. And I will choose those for you. Well, if we're in the key of C major, let's just start with C, and then let's also use G. So we're going to use the 1 in scale degrees and 5. And we're going to play either this G, this G, this G, this C, this G, this C, wherever you want to play it. Okay? Also, I would suggest starting out with maybe quarter notes. And that'll get you started. I'm going to turn the metronome on to 60 with the subdivisions. So it's 1 and 2. Play along with me. Then go down to D minor 7, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. Okay? Now, I'm going to play either a C or a G, and I'm just going to use quarter notes for a little while. And then I will incorporate eighth notes after a little bit. So if you will play along with me, play the chords with me, that would be great. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 3. So I'm just going to use quarter notes first. That's a place to start. Then you can start simple like that and then add eighth notes in there. You can either do repeated eighth notes or you can alternate. Okay? So let us try exchanging solos. I'm going to play the first solo for 8 measures, and I will incorporate quarter notes and eighth notes, and then I'm going to play the accompaniment for 8 measures, and you play a solo. Let's see how it goes. And I am going to put on the metronome. 1, 2, intro, C, 2, 3, play along. Now D minor, 7. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3. Now here I go with quarter notes. turn. My turn. Your turn. One, two, three, six, seven, eight. How'd you do? It's kind of fun. And sometimes I'll find that if I find a pattern I like, I repeat it, right? And I experiment with it, and then I just kind of change it up a little bit. And it's sort of an organic process. Okay, I hope you have fun with this. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks.